guys? Welcome to the vlog, or little not vlog-ish. So we are here in Cadiz. We're in Cadiz, right by the bridge, and this is a car meet. We got a car meet over here. Got some older cars. A lot of stuff came out with the WRXs. This is from the base. Not a lot of people have seen WRXs around here. So it's like a big crowd. Big crowd. I got Jay right here. Got Daniel. Got Brian. We can look at the cars that they have over here. They got an Audi, Honda Civic. Try and get that. You need to turn on your lights. We got two BMWs over here. Red Audi. And then this Volkswagen right over here. Kind of caught my eye. I was like, dang, where have you been all along? I think this is a GTI for a fact. GTI. And then we got a BMW over here. Celicas, Hondas. A lot of people come out to this meet. This is just a small portion of it. Usually, apparently there's more people that come. But yeah. They're trying to do a photo op right here. It's his last day. He's going to Japan. The dude with the black WRX. I'll insert a clip here. That's when we were doing a little fun run in Spain, because we're not in Mexico anymore. But yeah, there we have it.